Oh, so you're still editing files yourself? Meanwhile, Manus basically runs my computer now. It opens the files, updates them, and then saves everything to my hard drive like he actually has a job. Here's how that looks. I drop a folder of YouTube videos into Manus and then leave. It scans the videos, slices them into clips, writes captions, and then even builds a posting schedule. So now I'm just checking on the work that was already done. So if you want your computer to finally start working for you, here's how you set that up. First, download the Manus app for your desktop and then give it a folder. So go to your settings inside of Manus and then select My Computer. This is where you want to link Manus up with your actual content. So you can link it with videos from YouTube or even things like meeting recordings, client calls, whatever kind of content you need Manus to analyze and then cut down into clips. I recommend setting up a separate folder for Manus and then using a duplicate copy of your files for Manus to work on. That way, if your prompt is unclear and anything happens, you still have the original file. Once Manus has access, now it needs a skill. And a skill is basically a repeatable thing that Manus can do over and over. In this case, it's going to be a skill to clip the videos. So click Skills and then click Add a Skill and upload the skill that's linked in the description below. This is the video clipper skill. Essentially what happens here is Manus extracts short clips from a video and then saves them all for you. In order to do that, Manus needs to first transcribe the video and then read exactly what was said. Based on that, Manus will generate clips as well as suggested captions. And if you want better captions, connect Manus to your Instagram. Right inside of settings, click connectors and then select Instagram. With this connector, Manus can actually see your post, your engagement data, your audience insights, so it knows how to tailor the captions and suggestions specifically for you. Once you've added the skill to Manus, you can start a new chat. Then you're going to want to connect it to a specific folder where you actually have your videos. So you can either use one of the folders that you set up in your settings, or you can add another folder. All my videos are right here, and it's going to ask you if you want to allow Manus to make changes to the files in that folder. Click yes. And I've got a bunch of videos in this folder, so I've went ahead and told Manus the name of the file it should locate before it creates the clips. And then I've also said, then save those inside their own folder. Normally, Manus can detect from your conversation whether or not it should use the skill, but you can also hit the plus button and then use the skill here. And you can also bring up skills in the slash menu. Um, we will just go ahead and let Manus get this going. All right, now Manus is done. The clips have been generated. And here's what it looks like inside the chat. But if I open up my files, you can actually see that there's 14 clips here because Manus will generate one clip in the original ratio and then one that's ready to be posted as a reel or for mobile view. And Manus also includes a video clip summary as well as a recommended posting strategy, caption, and even hashtags for every clip that it just generated. Now Manus is like a production assistant who works on your laptop. It analyzes your videos, clips them, and then organizes everything into neat labeled files. So once you finish shooting a video, you don't have to start editing. You can just post what Manus already made you. And if you want to grab my video clipper skill, check out the description below, because right now your files are just sitting there. Let Manus get to work on them.